Hey everyone, how y'all doing? It's a great time of year. It is the time of year where we get a bunch of new Seikos in. So today we're going to be taking a look at the new SRPD23, and let's open up this box. Okay, we'll get a better angle of this. Hold on. Here we go. And yes, this is the new Seiko Samurai Save the Ocean Great White Edition. Very cool looking watch. And I keep going back and forth. It's hard for me to tell if I like the Samurai or the Turtle better. They both look really good in this color combination here, and I like the fact that they both have the bracelet straps. So first things first, you look at the color of this watch. It's a brighter blue. It's not as turquoisey or tealy like you see in the pictures. It's this color, that's why I'm showing you in a couple different angles, because out of all the watches I've seen lately, this is one that doesn't seem as color accurate when you see some of the stock photos of it and stuff. So this is the new Save the Ocean Seiko dive watch Samurai, and this one here is what they nicknamed the Great White Shark, and the reason why is because there is a little shark fin hiding in the waves of the dial. So what does Save the Ocean mean? Well, Seiko partnered up with Fabian Cousteau, and they're doing educational programs on the health of the world's oceans and hoping to make a difference. So this Samurai falls under the Seiko Prospect series, and the model number again is the SRPD23, and this is a special edition. It is not a limited edition, it is a special edition. It's an automatic movement, and the movement there is the 4R35, and you can see there the tag. It's an ISO standard tag they're putting on these watches now, which I think is really cool, because you see a watch that says 200 meters, and sometimes the watch really isn't 200 meters, but this is to show that the Seiko dive watch is a quality dive watch. And here I have it compared to the Great White Turtle watch. Both of these were released at the same time, so you have your pick, the Samurai or the Turtle. I really like both of them. Before in other color combinations I can pick one I like more than the other, but they pretty much knocked it out of the park with both of these. So the movement, the automatic movement, a 4R35, now that's a 23 joule movement, and the power reserve for that is about 40 to 41 hours. With the 4R35 movement, basically it charges itself with you wearing it, so you can hack it is what that's called, or wind the watch too. So it's a wind and hack movement, and here you can see it on my wrist. The Samurai is slightly smaller than the Turtle. They kind of look and feel the same size when you're wearing them. The case diameter for the Samurai is 44 millimeters, and my wrist is a 7.5-inch wrist, so to give you guys a little idea on what it would look like while you're wearing it. And let's go into the dark and we'll go take a look at the loom on this one. The loom for the Samurai is a Lumibrite hands and markers, and you can see, like all Seiko dives, pretty much they've got killer loom. Thank you for taking the time to check out this video. Have a good one.